magic unfolds. From the workshop to the great unknown, here's where beauty.
Mama just told him, get down from there. Where do you think you're going? You're too young to climb. Ma, I just want to explore. Ma, did you see what he did? He didn't listen to you, Ma. Okay, well, I think I'm going to try this thing as climbing. His brother is climbing upwards. I think I'm just going to go. Ma, you slapped me booty. Well, because you didn't listen. Yeah, Ma, you tell him. You see how I didn't follow Ma? I'm a good girl. She not looking? She don't see me? Nah, she don't see me. I'm gonna try this climbing thing, 'cause she don't see me. Don't tell me now. I'm gonna do a little bit of chew with this. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, it tastes funny, but it's okay. Alright. Hey, you told Ma I was climbing. I'm not climbing. She don't see me. She sees you climbing and you get in trouble. But I'm not gonna get in trouble. Ma said get down. Hey, what are you doing? Just trying to, I don't know, climb. Hey! And they're off to play. Thought I would do a little funny. I hope you enjoyed that. Did you like that? Yeah. Brother and sister. Look at that. Mama taught me some new moves. Oh yeah? Let me see them. Is this one? And then there's this one. And then there's this one too. Ow, that's so hard. I got you now. Mama taught me really good techniques. So I can win every single time. You will not be able to get me no more. No, no, no. And then I walk away like I don't want it, and boom, attack. Well, she won that one.